Welcome to another elyonforex weekly breakdown. So in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the EURUSD and the GBPUSD and try to have a forecast for the upcoming week in the Forex market. So kindly forgive my voice. I was out with some friends yesterday, so I did a lot of shouting, but I will still try to be as audible as possible. So looking at the EURUSD, we are currently on the weekly time frame. So looking at the weekly time frame, if you remember from last week's forecasts, I said I was expecting price to sweep these highs and possibly continue to the downside, or we could see a break of this high and a continuation to the upside. So looking at how last week closed, we could see that last week engulfed the previous week, and we closed strongly bearish last week. So on the weekly, we are beginning to see bullish momentum. Like our bullish momentum has been confirmed on the weekly for EURUSD. So moving down to the daily, what can we see? So let me take this off. So on the daily, we already had this break of structure right here, and this is the weekly liquidity pool we're talking about, and also the weekly order block. And as you can see, just like we saw on the weekly, price has taken this liquidity, and we could see some form of retracement. We see the market do some form of retracement and possibly continue to the upside, because currently we are on an impulsive leg. So the impulsive leg could continue as well, depending on what we see on the lower time frame. But looking at this weekly, we could see a retracement. And another reason why I feel we could see a retracement is because the previous day candle has been swept, but that is just an extra confluence for the retracement. But like I said, price is very bullish. The following week we just continue bullish without doing any significant retracement. So we are going to know how to approach that when the market actually opens. So going down to the 4 hours, what can we see? So on the 4 hours as well, there's really nothing different. But let's look at the liquidity point, because right now we have created a new trading range on the 4 hours. So we broke this high, of course. So possibly this will be the high that will be confirmed for our new trading range. But before this high will be confirmed, we need to see take out internal liquidity. So what internal liquidity am I looking at? Currently I can see this low right here. So if price is going to retrace, we could be expecting some retracement to take this liquidity and continue to the upside, or we might even come for a deeper retracement and continue to the upside. So let's see what is going to happen. But this is what I can see on the 4 hours. On the 4 hours, you can see now that we have impulsively broken the previous high. So all I'm waiting for, we have taken into external liquidity. So all I'm waiting for is for us to take internal liquidity, and then we continue to the upside. So going to the 15 minutes, which is our intraday time frame, what can we see? Interestingly, we can see that price has broken this high right here to the upside. All right, price has broken this high, so external liquidity has been taken, and after external liquidity gets taken, we want to see internal. So now I could see that this point of internal liquidity has also been taken. This point of internal liquidity has also been taken, so we could see price come all the way to take this external liquidity and continue the bullish momentum. That is one idea. Or we could see price just come, sweep these highs, and continue the retracement we talked about on the daily and on the 4 hours as well. So but let's see what's going on. But so far the 15 minutes is still bullish. So even if you are going to be taking the retracement, at least wait for the 15 minutes to change bearish. But currently, since the 15 minutes is still bullish, as an intraday trader, I still want to follow the 15 minutes, because even if we try to look at price even more deeper, we could see that after we swept liquidity, we broke this previous highs. And after we broke the previous high, let me go to the 5 minutes. We have been mitigating because we cleared external liquidity on the 5 minutes, come back in, we take internal liquidity, and we reacted into this order block right here. Okay, so now after we react into this order block, we expect price to come back again to take this external liquidity right here. All right, so this is what we are expecting on the 5 minutes on EURUSD. So let's see how it's going to happen. Remember, price is still bullish on EURUSD, and the 15 minutes is also still bullish. We could be expecting a retracement, but before you start looking for the retracement sales, you can wait for the 15 minutes to align, because 15 minutes is still bullish. So that is that on EURUSD. So next, I'm going to be talking about the GBPUSD. So looking at the GBPUSD from last week's markup, we can see that we broke this high just as stated in the last week video. We swept external liquidity, and now we swept internal liquidity. So we are expecting price to continue the bullish move to take out this high on the daily. So going to the 4 hours, we can also see as well that we wanted the 4 hour to align bullish, because the 4 hour was bearish. As at the last analysis, we broke these lows. So we want the 4 hour to align bullish by taking out these highs. And we have also, remember I said the sell move for the 4 hour was to take out those daily internal liquidity, and that has been achieved. So the 4 hours to break this high to confirm the change of character to a bullish environment. So there's really nothing much on the 4 hours. We're going to the 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes, what can we see? We can see on the 15 minutes that 15 minutes is also bullish, because we created this trading range, we created this low, right? We created this low, and we created this high as well. Okay, so this high took out external liquidity. So after external liquidity, we expect price to take out internal, and we can see that we have 2 points of internal liquidity, but price decided to take this. And after price takes this internal liquidity, we could see price continue the bullish momentum based on what we have seen on our higher time frames of the daily and the 4 hour as well. So let's see what price did after we swept this internal liquidity. Let me drop down to the 5 minutes. So on the 5 minute, what can we see? On the 5 minutes, we could see that after we swept the 15 minutes internal liquidity, we broke this high. After we broke this high, this was our first point of internal liquidity, which also doubles as relative equal lows. So we can see now that price has taken those equal lows, and it has taken the internal liquidity. So after that, it went ahead to take out the external liquidity. So now we have a new range on the 5 minutes. So our range on the 5 minutes will be from this low to this high right here. But we can't confirm this high yet. Remember I said whatever high or low you are marking in the market, there must be a reason. We can't confirm this high yet, because this high needs to take out a form of internal liquidity before we can confirm it. So this is just one leg of price. So what's internal liquidity could we be expecting price to take out? Looking at the extreme right here, I can see this low right here. This could be the drawn liquidity. We also have there's another low right here. So let's see, we don't know the one price we want to take. Price can decide to just take out this take out this, continue to the upside, or we could even have a deeper. So for those that trade with discount and premium, you definitely want to wait to see price come in, possibility to take out this internal liquidity and continue to the upside. So on the GBPUSD as well, we can see that everything is also still aligning bullish. Everything is still aligning bullish. The daily we said is bullish. The daily we said is bullish because we have taken internal liquidity, expecting a takeout of the external. On the 4 hour as well, we could see that the 4 hour was bearish, and because we have taken out daily internal liquidity, we expect the 4 hour momentum to continue and also shift bullish. And on the 15-minute as well, you can see that we are still creating. Let me take this off. This was on the 5 minutes. You can see that we are still creating bullish structure. Higher high. We have confirmed our higher low, then possibly new higher high. So that is all I have on this weekly market forecast. So I hope you are able to learn 1 or 2 things. And also remember that this is just a forecast, and it is just intended to give you an idea of what the market will do. You still want to see the market open. You still want to see the context of the market when it opens, so that you can make your trading decision. Remember, trading is reactive and not predictive. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.